Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have two opportunities. One is from American Express apprenticeship focused on Gen AI and automation, and second one is a QA engineer role in Noida paying up to 6 LPA. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. This one is from American Express and they are hiring for the role of apprenticeship. This is open for freshers and location is Gurugram, and this is a full-time hybrid role. This opportunity is a part of GenAI and automation team at American Express, and work is focused on using AI and automation to improve business processes. Now let's understand what you will actually be doing. The role involves building GenAI driven solutions for areas like accounting, reconciliation, analytics, and reporting. So this is not about experimenting with ChatGPT or building simple AI demos. You will be working on actual business workflows where AI and automation can reduce manual work and make processes more efficient. One of the main responsibilities is helping build AI assisted and rule based workflow automation. You will take care of business problem and break down it into smaller steps that can potentially be automated. Python is one of the important technical skills for this role. You will write Python scripts for data processing and workflow automation and listing specifically mentioned tools such as pandas and numpy. You will also work with SQL. SQL will be used for things like data extraction, validation and analytics. So if you are someone who already know Python and SQL and now is trying to move forward in Gen AI, this role is quite relevant. You will support LLM integration, including prompt design, testing, and iteration. That means you may work on prompts, test how the model responds, evaluate the results, and improve the workflow based on those results. The role also involves working with structured and unstructured data from enterprise systems. So, you will need to be comfortable dealing with different types of business data and understanding how data can be processed or used inside an automation workflow. Another technology mentioned here is Microsoft Power Platform. The team is combining programming, Gen AI data to solve the real business problems. You will also help maintain and troubleshoot production automations. That's an important part because these are not just development experiments. Once an automation is being used, you will need to help make sure it continues working properly and troubleshoot issues when something goes wrong. Documentation is another responsibility. Now, if we look at the important technical skills, they are asking for Python, Pandas, NumPy, SQL, Gen AI, LLMs, prompt design, data analysis, data processing, and APIs. So, the ideal candidate does not necessarily need to be an advanced AI engineer. Instead, you have a strong foundation in Python, SQL, or data analysis, along with a genuine interest in Gen AI. The education requirement here is a bachelor's degree in CS, IT, engineering, or a related field. They also want candidates with a strong academic or project exposure. Coming to the work details, this is a hybrid role. You may need to work from office a minimum of 3 days per week. Now, coming to the second opportunity of today's video, this one is from tyloones Software and they are hiring for the role of QA engineer. Experience required is 0 to 3 years. Location is Noida and the salary is around 3 to 6 LPA, and this is a full-time opportunity. There are two openings for this role. The job is focused on software testing and quality assurance. You will perform manual testing of software application and also develop and execute automated test cases. You will also perform API testing and work closely with development teams to identify and resolve quality issues. The main skills mentioned here are manual testing, automated testing, selenium, API testing, and quality assurance. So the mainly they are looking for is Selenium. So maybe they are in Java full stack. Coming to the eligibility, for education they accept BTech or BE in any specialization as well as MS or MSc in computers and MCA. So if you are starting your career in QA and have knowledge of manual testing or Selenium and API testing, then this is a straightforward opportunity. Now, if we compare both opportunities, if you're a fresher and interested in Python, SQL, or data analysis with the interest of Gen AI, go for American Express apprenticeship. But if you're focused in software testing or QA, then go for the second one. And make sure to check the eligibility carefully before applying. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.